Hello everyone and welcome back. Here we are today. My name is Leslie. I am a Montessori certified guide and also a mother to this amazing toddler here. Most importantly, I am her mother, and we are a family who is incorporating the Montessori philosophy at home. You can check out our Montessori in the Home adventures on Instagram. And today we have this video here as we came out, and it's actually the first day that the weather just is so beautiful and so amazing, so we're feeling very grateful for that. But here in this video, we'll chat with you a little bit about the importance of nature and how that truly provides your young one with a rich sensorial experience, along with so many other benefits. So, yeah, here we go. There's my husband. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Outdoor playtime is crucial for the healthy development of toddlers, as it provides numerous benefits for the physical, cognitive, emotional, and social well-being. Here are some of the reasons why outside play is so important for toddlers. It helps with their physical development. Outdoor play allows toddlers to engage in so many different physical activities, such as running and jumping and climbing and crawling and playing with things out in nature like sticks and rocks, which promote gross and fine motor skill development. It also provides opportunities to exercise, which is essential for their overall physical health and development, including the development of their strong bones and those strong muscles. It also helps with the toddler's cognitive development. Outdoor play exposes young children to the natural environment, which stimulates their senses and it enhances their cognitive development. They can explore and observe and learn about the world around them, including nature and weather and animals and the sounds that they hear. Outdoor play also encourages problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity as toddlers engage and with various elements in their outdoor environment. As I observe my daughter and I think about what I do in the classroom, I also realize that this helps children with social development. Having that outdoor play provides opportunities for young kids to interact with other children, with their siblings, or even with parents. It promotes social skills such as taking turns and cooperation and communication. Let's take a listen to see what my husband says about outdoor play.
Why do you think it's important to come out to nature with the family?
Like for us, we're big into the outdoors, whether it's camping, hiking, or just coming out to the river and really enjoy nature. But it has brought us closer because it's something that we enjoy doing. And so just, teaching her about being outside and being in nature, it brings us closer. I think it strengthens our relationship. But I think it's also just a very natural way to learn, to bond, to work on our mental health. I mean, this is just so peaceful. And it's a great opportunity to put aside or to stop worrying about the things that are going on at work, or maybe there are some, family, things going on. And this is just a way to forget about, some negative energy and just enjoy and kind of pause for a minute and reset. And so this is, for us, this is just our way to bond and to slow down. And, as you can see, she's exploring. So as a parent, as a dad, that brings a lot of happiness to our hearts as well. Just seeing her happy. We don't have to work extra hard. We just follow her lead and reinforce what we know about being outside, being in nature, and anything outdoors.
I just love my husband's answer here because I agree 100%. And it also makes me think about how the outdoors really do provide young toddlers with the opportunity to have emotional well-being. Having that the outdoor play allows toddlers to experience freedom, joy, and a sense of adventure. It provides and promotes a positive emotional state by simply reducing stress and anxiety, frustration, and it provides opportunity to just simply relax, and not to say the sensory experience that they have through all of this. Outdoor play fosters the ability for them to just connect with nature, with which there's so much research out there that shows that improves emotional resilience and the well-being of young children. Outdoor play also exposes toddlers to a wide range of sensory experiences, including different textures and sounds and smells and sights, which can really enrich their sensory development and help them better understand the world around them. It also provides for opportunities to explore and experience different weather conditions and seasons and environments, which can really enhance their overall sensory perception and cognitive development. As you can see, the benefits of being outdoors are just massive, and they truly are endless. So why don't you go out today, go out for a walk, go outside, go to the park, whatever is comfortable and accessible to you, and just simply have fun. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you soon. Adios.